And now, coming soon to video.
What the?
Oh, come on, let me out, please. I need to my
Computer.
Please, 2 minutes. My life will get infinitely better. I might even get a
If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you
Must die!
But you just pointed to all of me.
You need to shut up!
You, sir, are playing a game. Keeping this much raw Vikingness contained. There will be consequences!
I'll take my chances. Sword sharpened now.
You guys were busy, and I had a very clear shot. It went down just off Raven Point. Let's get a search party out.
Hey, just shut up.
The village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think?
This isn't a joke, Hiccup! Oh, why can't you fuck yourself?
I can't myself. I see a dragon, and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am, Dad.
Take that, you stupid corn!
You're thinking about this all wrong. It's not so much what you look inside me.
Thank you for summing that up.
Remember, a dragon will always go kill the
King!
Thank you. No.
I was delicious. He must have shat on my father because it wasn't a month before another one of them died.
I'm so angry right now. I'll avenge your beautiful boy and your beautiful
Drunk driver.
I'll chop off the legs of every dragon I with my
No, it's the wings and the tails you really want.
Oh boy, I'm so hungry I could eat
poison.
I'm off to bed. You should be too. Tomorrow
I'm going to jail!
But who'll win the honor of killing it?
It's gonna be me.
It's my factory.
I will end you!
No!
Dad, you're back. Gobber's not here, so...
Let's talk. About Spider-Man.
Fuck off.
Let's talk.
I said, fuck off.
I am going to kill you.
Okay, quiet down. The Elder has decided. Son of a bitch!
Leaving. We're leaving. Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Ah, man.
There's the girl that I like. Over there laughing with that smart.
Shut up!
Ow! Why would you do that?
Now get me down.
Toothless? Fuck you. Nothing to be afraid of. Thank you for nothing, you
Asshole.
Astrid, we have to think this through carefully.
Hiccup, we just discovered the dragon's alcohol. The thing we've been after since Vikings first sailed here. And you want to keep it a secret? Well, to protect your
Baby.
No.
Okay. Then what do we do?
Shut up!
Okay.
You get nothing. You lose.
Good day, sir!
Leave me alone!
Astrid, if something goes wrong.
Go fuck yourself.
I will.
I'm one of them.
Stop the fight.
No! I need you all to kill me!
Hiccup!
He died.
Hiccup!
Get the fuck out of my factory.